In this video, we'll talk about how to do the research that your professor requires for your research paper in modern U.S. foreign policy. Your professor would like you to use primary or secondary sources in books, historic newspapers, and archives online. She would like you to cite the foreign relations of the United States, and we'll be going over that in your in-person class. For this research activity, you should go to the library's homepage, which you can get to by Googling Salve Library. And from there, it automatically defaults to our book search, which is where we can find some books related to topics in your class. So maybe we'll start with Woodrow Wilson and Haiti and see if we have any books on this. The first thing to look at when your results come back is how many results. In this case, we have 13, which isn't too bad. This first one is leading up to the 1915 occupation. There's a few things you can do from here. You can cite this book and choose your Chicago Notes bibliography style. A note that you should always check against the style manual's requirements because sometimes these are incorrect, but you can copy and paste that and correct it in your paper. You can also share this to get right back. You can get this link right here and put it into an email or wherever you're storing that. And if we click on View eBook, this will take us into our ProQuest ebooks. We have several different providers of ebooks, and this one looks like this. You can navigate through the table of contents, or if you would like to search within the book for particular people or speeches, you can click on Read Online and look for the magnifying glass to search within. So for example, if we wanted Woodrow Wilson, we can see all the places that he shows up. And right now we see a couple of chapters that are actually on Haiti. If we click the down button, it shows us where they show up. And clicking on this will take us directly to the page. If we go back again and see if there are any other results, always scroll through the entire list if it's not too long, because occasionally you run into books that are related but not at the top. So this is actually a list of primary sources, which are actual speeches, and we can see that there is information about Haiti in here as well. So if we click on View eBook here, this is opening an EBSCO ebook, again, a slightly different interface. And if you want to search within here, you will click on Access Options, and we can look at the PDF. And again, we're going to look for our magnifying glass, so right here. And we can type Woodrow Wilson or Haiti to see where that shows up. And again, if we click on it, it will take us right to the page, and we can see that this is a primary source of press conference remarks. If we go back again, we can click on articles to see other scholarly secondary sources. One database that's likely to be particularly helpful is JSTOR. So that's right here. And we can do our search again. And this is going to be searching the full text of all of the articles, so we may get a lot of results. Right off the top, we can see this book looks interesting, or this journal article looks interesting. These are in the Journal of Haitian Studies, so this is totally about Haiti and history. And so there are quite a few that look like they might be useful. If we were interested in it, we could click on Cite and grab our Chicago style citation. Again, double check to make sure that these are accurate. If you click Download, you can get the full text of the article in PDF and download it to your computer if you would like, right here. And remember that you can do Command or Control F to find people names or events in here. Oops, except you have to spell it right or else it doesn't find it. So here I see that there's only 2 mentions of Woodrow Wilson. And perhaps if we just did Wilson, then we have 7 results. In another option for searching might be in our EBSCO databases, which our search box defaults to. So if we tried that here, we'll see how many results we get back now. This is going to search our EBSCO host databases, and we can see that we only got 50 results. And this has the benefit, EBSCO has the benefit of including subject headings, which can get you into your topic much quicker and with more relevant results. So for example, if we clicked on Wilson Woodrow, this would redo our search, and we could add words such as, if we clicked on advanced search, add words such as Haiti to see only articles that are totally about Woodrow Wilson and Haiti. And some of these, this one, for example, could be useful. If we click on the 3 dots, we can get our citation, so our Chicago style citation by choosing that. And if we wanted to see the full article, you could click on Access Now to get the PDF. Sometimes this is not available. And in fact, it looks like this might actually be a book review for the book Gunboat Diplomacy in the Wilson Era. So actually, that could be a book that we search for in the library catalog. So sometimes you can get information in one source that you take back to another. The final thing that I can suggest is also looking for newspapers. So if we want to look under research articles, and we can look here and see e-newspapers. This will show us all of our databases that include newspapers. And historical newspapers might be helpful, although these only go to, some go to 1866, and some go to 1978 to present. So just keep in mind the time frame you're looking at, and choose your database that way. The Historical New York Times is a great option because it goes from 1851 to 2018. So if we click on this one, we can try our search there and see if we can get some good primary sources. And this is searching in our ProQuest databases for New York Times. And if we want, we can limit our publication date. If you're looking for a particular event, it's a great idea to limit the publication date. So if we were only looking at, for example, 1910 to 1919, that would limit our results. And if we were interested in an article, we can cite it here or click on the title to see the full text or the PDF.